Also in the Bronx, some college students who won't be going home for Thanksgiving will still be able to celebrate. More than 100 Lehman College students received free bags of food Thursday. It was all courtesy of the nearby Montefiore Medical Center and the Food Bank for New York City. Students also received $50 gift cards so they can buy a turkey. Aziz Alimi will be cooking a small meal in his dorm for him and some friends.
It's a great thing to be able to have the food, for Thanksgiving this year. But the bad thing is just we're kind of more so doing this because most of us don't feel comfortable going back home.
Lehman College representatives say they've seen the number of students seeking food pantry service triple in the last 8 months.